Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what I do to get my nails to grow this long at home. And so this is a special step that I add into my manicure when I'm doing my nails at home, and it allows me to grow my nails to these beautiful almond shapes. So this is how I start off my manicure. I just remove all my nail polish, buff my nail down, and then we're going to go ahead and shape them. Obviously, if you're trying this method for the first time, your nails are going to be short, so don't worry about that. Just shape them how you want to shape them for your manicure, and then move on to the next step. In this particular video, I wanted to have kind of like coffin almond nails, and so I'm just narrowing the sides down to get it ready for my polish. As you can see on my other hand, I had a few nails that broke, and so I'm using this method to help regrow that as well. So I'm just adding some cuticle oil to my cuticles, and I'm just going to push them back and clean my nails really nicely. I have a more in-depth tutorial on this on my channel for how to do gel nails at home, and so you can watch that in-depth tutorial if you'd like, but this is kind of just a sped up version to show you what I'm doing. So this is just a cuticle pusher. I'm just scraping down all the dead skin that's on my nails and gently pushing my cuticles back. You don't need to cut your cuticles if you're not comfortable or you don't think that they need to be cut. It's not something that's absolutely mandatory to have a beautiful manicure. Just simply cleaning your nail, pushing them back, and moisturizing your cuticle can do just as much to make your final manicure look amazing. And if you don't have special cuticle oil at home, you can always use coconut oil or even olive oil to moisturize your cuticles. All right, my nails are nice and clean, so I'm just going to get some acetone on a cotton pad and clean off all of that oil because we don't want any oil on our nail plate when we go ahead and start our manicure. Oil is just going to stop our polish from sticking to our nails, and then that's what causes your gel nails to lift and peel prematurely so that your manicure doesn't last as long. So once you're done cleaning all of your nails, then you're going to move on to the next step. And for this step, you do need UV or LED lamp that's going to be able to cure your polish, but I'm using a regular gel base coat. So just any base coat you have from any brand that is gel, you're going to coat your nails with one layer of base coat and then cure your nails under your lamp for at least 60 seconds. You can do 90 seconds if you'd like, or read the instructions on the bottle to see what that specific brand recommends for their curing process. This particular base coat is from Melody Susie, and I just cure it for 60 seconds under the lamp, and I've linked their products down below if you are interested in grabbing them. I also have been given a discount code by them, so you guys can use that if you are interested in getting any of their products. So just make sure you coat your nails evenly, pop them under the lamp, and cure them for 60 seconds. And when you're done, we are going to move on to the next step, and this is my secret for how I grow my nails so long at home. Okay, so this product is basically by IBD, and it's a hard gel, and I just have it in the color clear so that I can use it with every single manicure. But I have this brush that I use. You can really use any brush, just make sure you're comfortable with the size of it. But I just take a small amount and I coat my entire nail in this hard gel. The nice thing about this gel is that it's self-leveling, so you don't have to be an expert on how to apply this gel onto your nail. You don't need to worry about shaping your nail or building any sort of structure to your nail. Just apply the gel over your entire nail and make sure to get your edges, your side walls, and go right up to your cuticle, but do not touch your cuticle with the gel. So leave a very small gap so that the gel sticks properly to your nail and not to the skin, if that makes sense. So I'm going to continue on to the next finger. So again, just taking a small amount of gel and then applying it to the entire nail. And basically what this gel does is, because it's a hard gel, it gives your nail a bit of strength and a bit of structure while it's growing out, and it gives more of a structure than just regular gel polish. Because if you've ever had gel polish on your nails, you'll notice that you're still able to bend the tip of your nail, even though it might not be as flimsy as your natural nail. There is still some give because gel polish tends to cure a little bit softer than a hard gel. Hard gel, in my opinion, feels the same strength as acrylic nails, and so you're really reinforcing your nail and allowing it to grow without getting damaged or chipped. I like to think of this clear gel as like a shield on my nails, and it really doesn't make any difference whatever I put on top of this clear gel. I can paint my nails however I would like, with regular nail polish, with gel polish, with any product really you can layer on top of this hard gel. It's basically like a second nail. So I cured those for 60 seconds, and this is what they look like. You can already tell they just look so much stronger and have a better shape to them, and because they're self-leveling, you can tell that they're just smooth all the way around. So for this particular manicure, I just wanted to keep it super natural, so I have this milky white gel polish that I ordered online, and I will have it linked down below, but I basically just went right over the hard gel and painted my nails as usual. Do not wipe the hard gel when you're done, just leave on whatever residue is on there. For the most part, this hard gel does dry down and cure to a smooth, shiny finish, but don't wipe them with alcohol because whatever is left on there is going to help your gel polish stick right on top of it. And that's basically it for my secret. Once you're done painting your gel polish or your regular polish on top of this hard gel, just wait and watch your nails grow. I am going to be making another video that shows you exactly how to remove this hard gel when you're ready to change up your manicure, or when the hard gel has grown out and you need to apply another coat. This method has really helped me strengthen my nails and allowed my nails to grow, and I haven't noticed any damage from this hard gel. The one thing I will say is that if you remove it the wrong way, then you will damage your nails. So make sure to check out my next video, which is about how to remove gel polish. It's going to be uploaded 1 week after this video, and so look for it over on my channel or linked at the end of this video. Alright, so this is the final look. It's just 2 coats of the milky white, and then I sealed it off with a gel top coat. This beautiful, natural, milky white looking nail, and you can still see the whites of my nail underneath the milky white, and so it looks kind of like a subtle French manicure. I will upload a full tutorial on exactly how to do this milky white look, and so if you're looking for that video, it'll be up on my channel as well. Alright, well that is all for this video. I hope that you guys learned something from this video. If you did, comment down below. Also, if you tried this hard gel nail hack out and you grew your nails out, I would love to see them, so tag me on Instagram or leave a comment down below and let me know how you liked it. The hard gel is linked down in the description. I bought mine from Sally's Beauty. With all of that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!